First, I am thankful to Evision because I got placed in Infosys with salary offered 3.2 lakh per annum. They provide online facility in the IT network domain. I am Sreenidhi Mk Kerala. I have completed my graduation in BCom in Karnataka State Open University, Mysore in the year of 2016. Apart from improving our technical skills, communication skill by giving live presentation and mock which they will get contact every day was fulfilled in our interviews. If you want to enhance your skill in IT, it would be good to join at Evision at last. I am very thankful to all the trainers and HR team for their continuous support. Thank you, Evision.